how I burn so many calories when I work out, and that is because
thank you to TikTok for making me try this. How good does that look? Like, come on. I cut it to fit in this frame. It's the productivity planner. I'm gonna put in a little bit of protein powder just to up my protein a little bit.
Ow, for myself. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be vlogging today. I have a bunch of things that I want to get done. It is Tuesday, March 31st. I don't even know what day it is. It's a little bit later in the morning now. It's 11:30, so it's almost the afternoon. Whoops, hold on, I just turned on my TV. I've been kind of working in my room all morning, working on some YouTube things. I made an Instagram post on my health account. I also slept in. I slept until 9, which is weird because I've been waking up at like 7 every day. I absolutely love waking up early. I'm so glad I'm on like a good sleeping schedule again. But I have been doing lots of little things in my room lately. Last night, this morning, that I kind of want to show you guys. I also just did like my regular morning routine. I don't want to bore you guys with the same old. I wake up, I eat Kelani crunch, I drink coffee, and I watch YouTube videos. That's literally my morning routine. It can't really get any more different, and there's only so many times I can film it. If you guys want to watch that, I literally just uploaded one last week, so I'll have that link down below. And I have a lot of fun things I want to do today. I am going to be doing some TikTok things. I'm excited. I'm going to be making fluffy coffee. I'm going to be tie-dyeing some things. I'm going to show you guys some of the changes I made around my room, if you even care. And then I'm going to head down to the gym. I've been getting a lot of comments. I've answered it on my Instagram before. How are you going to a gym at a time like now? Well, my mom does own a gym, and I've been the only one there working out for 3 weeks. She's getting it professionally cleaned today, so I have to go before the cleaners get there. I've been the only one there for 3 weeks, no one else, just me, so it's totally safe. And like I said, like, she's getting it professionally cleaned. I've only been here in the gym during this whole quarantine for like 3.5 weeks now. I've been very good at it. Just to clear that up, I don't want anyone coming at me. So let's see my room. I'm still working on one thing over here because it fell last night. So I put this up and then this up, and then in these little drawers I put this little bookshelf thingy, and then up here I changed the shelves. This shelf collapsed last night, so we had to fix it at like 10 at night, but I like it so much better. It's so much more minimalistic, and that's like the route I want to go. This thing is really ugly and I freaking hate that that's there. And then I put this there because what used to be there was these things, but I feel like I like the look of this so much better. There's an ad on my TV. I was watching YouTube. Yeah, and then I added a curtain rod finally here and here. I needed that for so long. And then over here I kind of like realigned these so I think it'll look better. I don't like this yet. I don't know what to put here. And then I got my lights fixed so they look so much better. And also, this was never framed. I cut it to fit in this frame, so it's kind of like cut a little bit, but I really like it honestly, and I kind of want to paint the frame black. Let me know what you guys think I should do there. And then over here I took down, I don't even remember what was there honestly. Oh, I had that tassel thing that I've been wanting to get rid of for literally a year. So I hung this like that, but it fell and it looks really cool. So my mom has hooks at the gym, so I'm gonna get one of those hooks and then hang it when I get back. But it looks really cute, and I'll show you guys when I get back. Let's go. Okay, the lighting is really bad, so this is the best place I can find. But you guys always ask me how I burn so many calories when I work out, and that is because I always go between a piece of cardio equipment and then weight training. I love it. It keeps my heart rate up the whole time. I love to get a nice sweat in. If I don't sweat that much in my workout, I don't feel like I did anything. Today I'm gonna do some glutes because I have not done glutes in like 5 days. We're a little overdue for that. If you guys want to see more videos, a couple of my friends and I actually just started a TikTok called Teammate Fitness. We're gonna be posting workouts like every day, every other day on there, so definitely go follow us on TikTok. I'm gonna start with warming up at level 8 on the stairmaster for 5 minutes, and then get into some glute activation. Let's go.
I'm gonna make some paleo pancakes. If you guys can hear anything, it's my dog. Casey is like chowing down on this bone right now. I'm so sorry about that. But these are the things you're going to be needing. I'm gonna start with making my paleo mix. You don't have to do this, but I'm gonna put in a little bit of protein powder just to my protein a little bit. And then I'm gonna put these frozen blueberries in a pan, mix them around with like the frozen juices in it. It actually kind of creates like a little marmalade, kind of like jelly situation. And then I'm gonna add a couple strawberries because I need to eat these up, and a little bit of my favorite nut butter, a little bit of the HELLOOO gems because I want some chocolate. A little update, these are cooking. This is insane. I added a little bit of water and strawberries and 1 packet of stevia to give it like a sweeter taste, just because I don't like syrup either. I don't know, I'm not like the biggest syrup person. And then these are what these look like. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. How good does that look? Like, come on. These look amazing. I'm gonna take a picture of these, of course, and I'll let you know how they are. Just took some pics. We're gonna do an official taste test. I think I just did something. Wow, this is insane. Sugar-free, gluten-free, grain-free, high protein. Oh my goodness.
That looks pretty good, actually.
Okay, so I'm watching this girl's video on YouTube of how to do whipped coffee. It calls for 2 tablespoons. 2. Okay, you guys, I think I did it. I'm gonna put this in a mason jar with some almond milk, and let's try it out. So it's actually delicious. I would 10 out of 10 make this stuff again. Hello, I'm about to get in the shower, but first, this is actually really good. Like, I do have to say, thank you to TikTok for making me try this. I'm actually impressed. And it was also super easy. It took me literally all of like 2 minutes. I'm now on my second software download to try and get the footage back from the memory card. But I wanted to show you guys this. I just got this. I posted it on my Instagram story the other day. It's the productivity planner. I am obsessed with being productive literally at all times. I wanted to kind of show you guys like what it looked like. This was yesterday and today. You rate like how long it's gonna take you to do, other tasks you might want to do. And it's really cute, and I love being productive. I love keeping myself accountable for things like this, and this is just like a really good way to kind of get all of your thoughts in order. I would definitely recommend checking one of these out. I'll have it linked down below. Lastly, I showed you guys my room before I went to the gym, but I got a hook and I was able to hang it. I'm so excited. It looks so good. I'm going to put a frame there and frame something. Not sure what yet, but I definitely want to frame something there. I need to go wash my hair and get my shit together. So I will see you guys when I'm all fresh and clean.
Hi guys, it's now like an hour later and I'm going to do the DIY that I've been wanting to do for a while now. So I showered, I washed my hair. I'm gonna blow dry it after this, but I don't really feel like it, so I'm probably not gonna. It's like quarantine. I'm watching this DIY how to bleach a shirt. So I'm going to DIY an old sweatshirt, and then I have one from Amazon coming in the mail tomorrow, and that one's black, but this one I have is gonna be like a light blue.
This right here is option 1 for bleach tie-dye.
This is the one I'm watching. I have my bleach.
I couldn't find a squirt bottle, so I got a water bottle, a nail, and a lighter, and I'm gonna make my own squeezy bottle. I'm gonna just, you know, ow, for myself. I'm just gonna be like, what is going on up there? Okay, great. We got a nice little hole. Just like use a squeezy bottle if you have one, and don't try and make your own.
Update, this does work, so if you need one, do that. And I just scrunched this up just like that, and I'm like literally just gonna, so I guess we're just gonna do that. And now we let it sit. I'm like nervous to see how this is gonna be.
So I just had some dinner. If you guys want to see what I've been eating recently, go follow my health account. I usually post my meals like all day long. It's like 8 o'clock now. I'm just gonna finish the rest of my laundry and watch Vanderpump Rules until I fall asleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.